Hey guys, what's going on? Eco the Wolf here, coming in today with a music video. This time I'm going to call it The Sound of Eco, because this is probably the best time to record something from my original hand. So I hope you guys enjoy this Christmas special this year, and hope you guys have an awesome Christmas and a rockin' Christmas and a great new year. And yeah, I'm gonna jump right in here and see what this magic hand can make. Even tune the amplifier a little bit too. I think it sounds awesome today. Here we go. You don't see it no more. Alright. Back to where I was. What else can I do? Not bad. I got really into that one. What time are we at here for today's video? 4:45. Alright. changing gears into a bit of a higher pitch. See what else I can do on the other pickups here in the front. Now we'll go for one more to end this video for Eco's sound, or the sound of Eco. This is my sound to all of you guys, and I hope you guys appreciate it just as much as I do. One more, because this is my Christmas special for all you guys, because I'll be busy on Boxing Day and the rest of this month with other things like family and friends. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This is for you guys. This is for all 144 subscribers. Thank you all for this amazing year. And I really hope that next year is going to be even more amazing. You guys are awesome. Thank you. I thank all of you guys out there for doing that. Alright, here we go. thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, I am Eco the Wolf. You guys have an awesome Christmas and an awesome New Year. Peace out. Rock on. Stay awesome, guys. Later.